Good morning. You are watching the news updates of the Salesian province of Bangalore. Bangalore Youth in SYM World Council. Divya S., a member of Bosco Youth Karnataka, is elected as a member of the World Council of Salesian Youth Movement. She will represent the South Asia region in SYM World Council. Divya, who hails from Bangalore, has been a very active member of SYM and Bosco Youth's Bangalore Salesian province. It is indeed a proud moment for the Bosco Youth Karnataka and the Salesian province of Bangalore. We have Father William D'Souza, the Regional Youth Director of Bosco Youth Movement Karnataka, speaking to Miss Divya on this joyous occasion of her being elected to this very prestigious post. Father William.
Thank you, Father Shajan. As you rightly said, it is certainly a moment of great joy and pride, especially for the Salesian province of Bangalore, as we received the news that Miss Divya, who has been part of the Bosco Youth Services for quite some years, has been now elected as the Salesian Youth Movement South Asian Youth Representative to the Salesian Youth Movement World Council. And today we are so privileged that Miss Divya is here with us to share her experience with us. Miss Divya, first of all, a heartfelt congratulations to you in the name of the Salesian province of Bangalore. We are really proud of you. And I know you have been part of the Salesian Youth Movement for more than 6 years. And for the past 5 years, you have been the secretary of the state executive team of Bosco Youth Karnataka. Could you please share with us briefly the experience and the journey that you have gone through as being part of Bosco Youth Karnataka?
Thank you so much, Father. Thank you for your appreciation and introduction. Thank you so much. Being part of Bosco Youth Karnataka, it was a great journey actually. And I was a girl who was an introvert and who never have traveled one stop away from my home. But today Bosco Youth have molded me and it has trained me to be a leader, not just a citizen, to be a leader. And I am trained to communicate with people, to mingle with people, understand each one in my movement, and to express my concerns of our youth in front of the forum, and to be a better citizen of this world. Bosco Youth has trained me to that, and I am very proud and happy to be part of this movement, and I am always grateful to the movement, and I am very happy to be part of this movement. Thank you so much, Father.
Very good, Divya. We are also very happy as we are just launching into this new responsibility. I am sure you are very excited, no, as
of
being
course.
part of the World Council of the Salesian Youth Movement. What is the feeling right now?
I feel I am more responsible now, and the responsibility has increased, and there is a great learning ahead of me, and I look forward to it, and I am very much excited and waiting for that responsibility to take up in the World Council.
Very good. We wish you all the very best. No, the new journey that you are beginning as a youth representative in the Salesian Youth Movement World Council. No, I am sure you are going to have a great learning as being part of this vast international movement. Wish you all the best. Once again, congratulations. All the best. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Father.
That was Father William D'Souza speaking to Miss Divya. Thanks, Father William and Miss Divya, for joining us this morning. Father Shalbin Kalanjeri, the Vice Provincial and Youth Pastor Delegate of the province of Bangalore, expressed his joy and appreciation at the election of Miss Divya to this very prestigious post.
Dear friends, we are extremely happy to know that Miss Divya is elected as the South Asian Regional Representative to the Salesian Youth Movement World Council. She has been a very active youth, motivating and encouraging young people. We congratulate her and wish her all the best and God's blessings as she takes up this great responsibility.
Congrats to Miss Divya and all the very best to Father William D'Souza, the Regional Youth Director, and all his predecessors. Thank you.